I hope students we are doing study at home. Student, in this lecture we are going to learn English subject. Students we like the many heroes, but actors, but really they are a real hero. Really they are in a original they are fight with the enemies. No, they are just only actor, but they are not real hero. So student, in this lecture we are going to learn one story of one real hero. Okay, our lesson number 7, 1.5, Paramveer Chakra and our hero. This who is our real hero? The soldier is our real hero. So we will learn about one soldiers. We will see the one story about soldier. So first one, we will see what is the Paramveer Chakra. So you may have heard about the legendary heroes of the past and their extraordinary acts of the bravery. Through the history subject, we learned the many. We heard the many legendary heroes. Legendary means what? Very popular and famous hero. Means we in history we saw the Bhagat Singh, Rajguru, Mahatma Gandhi. All are the legend hero, and they did the extraordinary acts. But even today, many brave soldiers or our country sacrifice their own lives for our country, our safety. Means before independence has did the many legendary hero. Still, means now also in our country have the many legendary heroes. They sacrifice their life for our country, for our safety. Their brave deed are the honors by the bestowing military decorations of them for their brave, for their work, we for their honors, for their respect. So we are giving to the decoration, bestowing military decoration on them. We are giving something to them. Paramveer Chakra is India's highest military decoration. Okay, Paramveer Chakra is the Indian highest military decorations. Mean this Paramveer Chakra is very precious award. This award means respect got only military person. It is awarded for the most conspicuous bravery or some daring or preeminence act of honor of self-sacrifice. Means in military have the many soldiers, but everyone's got no. Who has done the very brave work? They are showing the daring and very preeminent acts of followers. For they sacrifice their life for our country. Only that soldiers got this award. In this presence of the enemies, whether on a land, in a sea, in the airs, means who working on a land, means army, in a air, means at a sea, in the airs. That person got this Paramveer Chakra. Paramveer Chakra is very rare honors. Means everybody is not got this award. Who has done very brave work? They sacrifice their life to country. Only that person got the this award. So far it has been awarded only 21 times. These awards get very rarely give to others. So only 21 times got this award. 14 of them awards were given posthumously. Okay, this posthumously means what? Means after a dead person. 14% soldiers got this award after their death. Okay, so what is now we have the one imagination story. See what Indravarja or Thunderbolt. Thunderbolt is supposed to the matchless weapons. But what makes the weapons invisible? In the supreme sacrifice of the Sheikh Dohiji. Okay, there have the one invisible weapons. Means Indravarjan. This Indravarja's weapon made from the Sheikh Deliji. According to legend, thousands of years ago, the demon had stolen all the water in the world. Okay, means one was the demon and he stole the whole waters of the peoples. Innocent peoples were suffering and dying without water, because water is very important. People didn't get the water, so they are suffering and they are dying because of without water. This demon could not be defeated by any ordinary weapons made of ordinary metals like wood and metals. Means many people tried to kill him, but he was not dying. He's not died with any ordinary weapon. Something extraordinary was required for kill him. To want something extraordinary weapons. People tried to kill him, but he is not dying. It was learned that Sheikh Dahiji has born of six extraordinary power, and Sheikh Dahiji, he was one person. In his bones have the extraordinary power. But how could one ask for the bones of a living man? Means he was very brave person. Means he had the powers in a bone. But how can we remove his the bone from his body in a living man? Sheikh Dahiji was a noble person. He himself laid down his life and gave his own bone to help to the people, his student. He gave his life. He laid down his life and gave his the bone to the peoples for help. Indra Varja. Indra's weapons of thunderbolts has vanished, and from that bones make the Indra weapons. From these bones and demons was defeated. Help of this bone, people killed to the demons and he is defeated. He killed. Just as the Indra Varjas derived power from the Sheikh Dahiji's bone. This Indra Varja, it is a weapon, and that weapon got the power from the Sheikh Dahiji's bone. The Indian military derived strength and powers from the sacrifice of the bravest of the brave, the Paramveer Chakra's holder and military cousin. Got this derived this strength and power from sacrifice the bravest of the brave, from the Paramveer Chakra. From the Paramveer Chakra they got the strength and power. So how is the Paramveer Chakra? Student, you can see in a picture. The metal itself is very simple in appearance. Okay, it is very simple. It's looking very simple and made from the metal. It's made of the bronze. From the bronze he made Paramveer Chakra. It is fitted with the single mounting and has a plain purple ribbon. In a picture you can see. It's tied in a purple ribbon. On the observe, it has the Indian national emblems and the center. In a picture, students, you can see in the center have the Indian national emblems. Surrounding by 4 replica of India's Vajra, and surrounding the Indian national emblem, you can see the Indian's Vajra. On the reverse, on the back side of this chakra, the words Paramveer Chakra are engraved in Hindi, and backside of the chakra has written Paramveer Chakra written in Hindi and English with 2 lotus flower in between. Between the 2 flower has written Paramveer Chakra in Hindi and English language. So who made this Paramveer Chakra? The Paramveer Chakra medal was designed by Savitribai Khanolkar. Savitribai Khanolkar, she designed the Paramveer Chakra. She was a European lady who married Vikram Khanolkar, an Indian army officer. She was a European, but she loved the India. So she is married with the Indians Vikram Khanolkar. He was the Indian army officer. Savitribai loved the India and took Indians citizenship. She spoke Marathi, Sanskrit, Hindi fluently. Okay, she was able to speak Marathi, Sanskrit, and Hindi fluently. She was speaking. She studied Indian arts and traditions in and in a detail she studied the Indian arts and traditional. Savitribai Khanolkar, she designed the Paramveer Chakra. Okay, student, we saw the 21 soldiers got the 21 officer got the Paramveer Chakra. There's have mentioned their name, and only 14 soldiers got the Paramveer Chakra after their death. Okay, here have one story, one officer. Their name is the Nirmaljit Singh Sekon. Okay, his number is 10,877 FPPVC. Okay, and Squadron's number 18, the flying bullets. Okay, he flies bullet. He was the Air Forces. On the 14th of December 1971, Srinagar airfield was attacked by the waves of 6 enemy Sabra aircraft. In a 14th of December 1971, some 6 NAV they flying they attack on a Srinagar. Flying officer Nirmaljit Singh Sekon was on a readiness duty at that time, and Flying Jit Singh Sekon, he was a readiness duty at that time. He could not take off immediately because of cloud of dust raised by another aircraft. He want to fight them, but he want to fly his but he couldn't fly because of cloud of dust. By the time the runway has cleared, the enemy aircraft were overhead. They were flying low, firing and attacking the airfield with bomb. When runway had cleared, that times his an enemy aircraft were overhead very low, and the enemy firing and attacking with a bomb. So even the flying officer second took of his grand fighter and movement the fluid. He began to combat the powerful Sabra jet aircraft of the enemy. So enemy was attacking on him, so he also attack on them. He began to come back of the powerful Sabra jet aircraft of the enemies. Enemies was the Sabra jet aircraft. He damaged 2 of them, and he was very powerful. He damaged the 2 aircraft of the enemies. He fight with the attacking aircraft now continuously at the 3 tops height. 3 tops height, he continuously fighting with the enemies. At last, the enemy aircraft fell and from the scenes of battles. And after last one, Nirmaljit Singh, he won and enemy has lost. So their aircraft fled, means fall down, and battle was over. The airfields and the towns of Srinagar were safe, and this time Nirmaljit Singh, his officer, saved the Srinagar. The airfield and the towns of Srinagar were safe. But alas, flying officer seconds the aircraft to crash and he was killed. But unfortunately, he saved. He could save to the Srinagar, but he could not save to himself. He sacrificed his life for the Srinagar. But unfortunately, his airfield flying officer seconds aircraft is crashed and he killed in that crash. Flying officer second displayed the great flying skill and determination in the face of certain death. Flying officer second, he showed his greatness in a flying skill. He showed the unmatched heroism above and beyond the call of duty. He showed the heroism above and beyond. His prayer, everyone's prayer is the duty. Salute the bravest of the brave. We have to salute of this brave. Flying officer Nirmaljit Singh Sekon. Okay. So flying officer Nirmaljit Singh Sekon, he was very brave officer. without fear he fight with the enemies. He just did not fight, he lost to him in that battle also. I hope students you understood this lesson. Okay, students read this lesson. Okay, thank you.